Should you or should you not register for GST? While in Australia, even if your business is still in the early stages, it can be a good choice to register for GST. When you reach $75,000 in business income, you have 21 days to register for GST. Different rules apply to non-profit organisations. Some people like to register early to avoid the headache that can come later on when your income is higher. For example, if you were charging $100 before registering and now you are registered, suddenly you need to choose if to add GST to the 100 to make it 110, or do you include GST in the 100 and suddenly you're only making $90 or $91 and the rest is going to tax. People choose to register early so that they don't have to have difficult conversations with clients later on about price increases, and so that they don't have to absorb the cost themselves if they want to keep their prices the same. I have 2 business degrees in accounting and management. I'm an associate of the Institute of Public Accountants in Australia and the Institute of Financial Accountants in the UK. You're watching an Intergalactic Insight. Be sure to give me a like and follow, and please reach out if you would like to become a client. You can find more information on my website, intergalacticbusinesssolutions.com.au. The link is also in the description. And remember, the only thing stopping you reaching the stars is yourself and not having a good accountant.